Question number 35. In the figure 6 below, AC and BD are chords of a circle. The measure of angle arc AB is equal to 50 degree and the measure of arc DC is equal to 70 degree. Which of the measure of angle APB? A 10 degree, B 20 degree, C 60 degree, D 120 degree. The answer is 60 degree. For intersecting chords, better angle APB is equal to half of arc AB plus arc DC, which is equal to half of 50 degree plus 70 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Question number 38. In figure 9, a right circular cylinder with height 8 cm and the base radius 3 cm is given. What is the volume of the cylinder? A. 24 pi cubic centimeter, B. 48 pi cubic centimeter, C. 64 pi cubic centimeter, D. 72 pi cubic centimeter. The answer is 72 pi cubic centimeter. Volume is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to pi times 3 square times 8, which is equal to pi times 9 times 8. That's equal to 72 pi cubic centimeter. Question number 39. A single result obtained from the probability experiment is blank. A. Sample space, B. Observation, C. Event, D. Outcome. The answer is outcome. A single result in probability is an outcome. Sample space is all possible outcomes. Event is a set of outcomes. Question number 40. A letter is selected at random from the word Ethiopia. What is the probability of the selected letter is I? A. 1 over 8, B. 1 over 4, C. 3 over 8, D. 3 over 4. The answer will be 1 over 4. The word Ethiopia has 8 letters, E-T-H-I-O-P-I-A, and the number of I is equal to 2. Hence, the probability of I is equal to 2 over 8, which is equal to 1 over 4. Dear viewers and listeners of channel, this is all about marks for grade 8 students. Thank you.